Family members, friends, and lawyers of prominent Zimbabwean opposition leader and former MP Job Sikhala was arrested last night in Pretoria, South Africa, over mysterious explosive found in his vehicle he was traveling in, are deeply worried about his fate. Police say the arrest of Job Sikhala, 53, and his relative, aged 78, followed a tip-off about a Ford Fiesta believed to be transporting explosives. Salve namashoko zere pamusoro pekusungwa kwaJob Sikhala. Toda subscribe like on the bell icon. News okusiri kudanyira chiti. They reportedly discovered 26 blasting cartridges and 15 kept fuse connectors. The two will appear in court on Monday. Those close to Sikhala say he was framed by his business partners over a mining deal to bring trumped up charges against him. Sikhala, who leads National Democratic Working Group in treacherous critique of Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa's government, he has been arrested almost 70 times for political activities and spent 595 days in prison until his release in January last year. Fellow political activist Jacob Ngari said earlier today, "I have been informed that Job Sikhala has been arrested in South Africa. My Sikhala wife told me that while Job was at a meeting last night, one of his hosts asked to check something in his car. They took the keys and then went away. He returned after 30 minutes and asked that they all leave the meeting, for it was getting late. Job then got into the car he was using. As they were on their way, police stopped them and searched their car. They found planted explosives and he was arrested, and he is in Pretoria at a local police station. Lawyers have been dispatched from Zimbabwe to help him on the case. South African lawyers are already on the case. This shows how the Harare regime is desperately networking with the regional bodies to fight those who are opposed to the corrupt and illegal 2030 nonsense." Ndoma developments aripo muri Zimbabwe pamusoro pekusungwa kwaJob Sikhala. Pinda comment section meruvodza mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musangana subscribe, like, hit on the bell icon.